ashlishyava paratam panashtam adarshanam mamatam karutava yata tata va vidadanti lapato mat prananatsas tu sevanapara. So Krishna, you can be favorable and affectionate and intimate and kind and near me and embrace me and thrill me with your touch and be thrilled by mine. Or you can cast me away. You can even trample me under your feet like something you don't want. Just crush me under your feet. And ignore me and neglect me, deny me and insult me. Right in front of my face, you can go to another gopi. You can dance with gopis in front of my face. You can enjoy them in front of my face. If that makes you happy, okay, so be it. And if you express, my dear beloved, that you're very interested in some gopi who is not seemingly looking at you or showing any interest in you, I will go to that gopi and enlist in her service. I will say, oh gopi, oh Saki, please accept me as your Palya Dasi, as your Dasi. I want to please you and satisfy you. And then I'll enlist myself in that Saki's seva. Because I know that you're desirous of that Saki's association and the intimacy and pleasures of love to be experienced with that Saki, but she's showing a contrary mood. Apparently not interested. Playing hard to get or impossible to get. Serving her for some time, I will gain her favor. And she'll say, hey Saki, hey Radha, kya chahiye? What do you want? Oh, will you glance favorably upon my Shyam Sundar? Will you consign to befriend my Priyatam? Yeah. You've been so kind to me, you've been serving so intimately and so submissively and so steadily with so much determination and enthusiasm, which are all good qualities of a Sevite. And surely I will acquiesce and follow your desire. I will meet that Shyamasundar, that lampat that he is, that kapat lampat that he is. Anyway, this is told in Ati-lila and the commentary by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu on this prayer from Shikshastakam. To that extent, that's Radharani's love. And then in the context that she summarizes it says, I have so much lust to please Krishna. I have so much I'm Kamani Radha. I'm Kameshwari. He is Kamadev, and I am Kamadevi. I am Kamani, and he's Kamanath. He is Kamban, possessor of Kam. That if Krishna finds happiness, this is the final thing Radharani says. If my Krishna, my beloved, my Priyatam, my Pyar, if he finds happiness by making me unhappy and breaking my heart and cracking my mind, then I will accept willingly and thankfully, gratefully, I will accept that intense anguish and distress and unhappiness which I am undergoing at his hands to be the source of my greatest joy and bliss, happiness. This is the intensity of the quote-unquote lust or the intense love of Radharani and other gopis. Of course, Radharani is the greatest.